according to Justice Wosu
Yes.
of the FCTI Court for Wuse Zone 2 for Abuja. Yesterday night, they finally sentenced the husband
Peter
of
Nwachukwu.
Osinachi, yes, to death by hanging. On top of the case, a lot of evidences come outside. Life testify, like 7.
Yes.
I come court there, including the children.
2 of his children.
Yes, yeah, including the children. They come outside, even as far to voice of the Pikin. The time they beat some of the children. They play the voice note. They testify of how at a time, if even throw the woman from moving vehicle come down and stab the woman. As far as say, even the money the woman they collect from shows, now they collect all of them.
Yes, now they collect.
At a time, the woman they borrow money from people just to run things for herself. The last, the case now, they don't sentence her to death by hanging. Although we know how Nigeria be, no governor degree sign
this thing finally,
death. And he gets right to appeal the matter again. So last, what's come to us if he do life imprisonment or something, but I cannot really say and say that death by hanging will really suffice. At the end of the day, who lose? Now the children, mama not dey, papa now, he be like say he don't they go. Osinachi na twin. She get a twin sister.
Yes.
Identical twin. Maybe they just carry the children.
Osinachi na 42 now she be. Before she finally she died soon. And she died 2 years ago.
Yeah.
She died 2 years ago. And then honestly, the thing really, really bad. It really, really bad.
Yeah, very, very bad. I can one thing with this matter, they always they point to us now for we to understand. Say nobody's sane, no, nobody perfect. But when it comes to domestic violence, make we dey very, very careful on top of that one, because she not go to say she never see this thing for a very long time.
No, then say the guy they popo am.
They popo am steady. A lot of people today still they face the same thing too.
Yes.
Make we they not say just separate first.
A lot of people
think.
A lot of people they face this thing and then it still they baffle me. Even though I don't know wetin they cause them, we be say then go there for that situation and then they know the fit step out. They hard plenty of, even when not them be the breadwinner.
Yeah. For some now the
even when not the women be the, of course it happen both ways. Even men too. Then they beat some men and all of that. Even when not them be the breadwinner. Even when the ladies now them be the breadwinner. They talk of lady this time around because I know say they happen both ways. Even when the ladies now them be the breadwinner. Yet you go there with man where they popo you, where they do everything, and yet you go still stay there because of what society go talk.
Societal, religious ground, and
yes.
sometimes
and
you
say
see
sometimes
this
their parents too.
The parents,
no, they help at all. Your parents go tell you say, "I beg go stay your husband's house, make it work. You stay there, make it work. You know, go carry your bag, come back to our house. Go there."
You know what I see for your papa and
hand.
If I come out before now for day like this.
But
then church go tell you say no.
God hates divorce.
God hates divorce. Blah 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 blah. God and no everyday marriage at the first place. Marriage now your own. Now you go find your wife.
He that findeth a wife.
Go find. Since when Adam accused God, saying that the woman where you give me, God said, you accuse me. Oh yeah.
Go find your own. A wife.
Man, not day. Go find. Then I go bless you now. so honestly, God that not there. Now you go find. And shine your eye where. Shine this honestly, your eye where if you want choose.
It really, really painful. It really, really painful.
Yeah.
When you they see things like this, and then some people, their action, they no go think of waiting go happen to them afterwards.
The consequences.
They know they think them. No. They know they think them at all.
Everything boils down to anger. Manage your anger. Two sides. I go talk this thing short. Manage your anger as a man. Then the women on your part. So women, their mouth be like he pass razor blade. You never they waka leave there, they see they poke you, they come. They go poke you. See when maybe the man no just feel lam again, go just act. I don't see my way. Be say the man they try to waka come out. She they go block him. Say you know they go anywhere. So yeah, I don't they vex. Make I come out for where still lam.
That one plenty now.
He said you must beat me
You never
first.
hear you must beat me. You never hear you must beat me. You go come beat them, then they'll come shout, hey!
You won't kill me.
Hey!
You won't kill me.
When you want waka komoto, honestly, and then society waiting they worry most people too. You see this society matter. Plenty people carry on for mind. For example, we dey set. One girl, they come, so our makeup artist come bring and come make it standing for her. She no day.
Okay.
So the girl they wear glasses. When they do makeup, she they wear glasses. So normal talk of ojugo or 4 eyes. They come there ojugo. So one day the girl come they do makeup for person. She come they strain her eye, they squint to fit the makeup. I can't ask and say, where your glasses? Why you no wear your glasses? She say she no gonna wear them. Why? He said then they laugh am here, say she they wear glasses. I say then they do Wetin. She say say here where she did. So say then they laugh am, say she they wear glasses. That's why she no can wear them. I say like seriously? For your own personal eye.
For yourself.
For your own personal eye, for your own personal self. I get one cousin who gets ear problem. She not agree with her hearing aid. She not agree with her. Why? You say, if she wear them, then people go know say she get hearing problem. But when people they talk to you, you know they hear.
Some people are not just.
So why not wear your hearing aid? You say no. Say, it means anybody we just they waka see her, then go see say she get hearing problem.
How people too they let Wetin the society go talk. Even to their grave, they see they consider people opinion past their own personal interest.
Yes.
Imagine that kind of nonsense. You dey think wetin people go talk. Pass your own convenience.
Where be say if it happen here now today, you don't go. Nobody even they think you.
The list. But
no, maybe Osinachi will die since April
2022.
2022. April 2022, now she don't die.
Nobody did
talk about it. Even the body of Christ have moved on. Yes. They no move on. People where she sing for, where she they touch their soul. They cry when she they sing. They never move on. How many of them they remember her?
They never remember her. Now when they play this song, they come talk and say this person don't die. You don't go, okay, die.
Chook pound. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.